really starting to pick up here. I can feel it blowing out of my hand. All this shit that fell, I can't believe nothing fell on that power box up there. Oh, I'm hearing trees crackle all around me. You hear that? A big tree just fell in the distance. I heard it. That's amazing. Like I've been hearing that for the past hour now. In the distance, huge trees falling. What a sound to hear, way off in the distance. My neighbors just fell right there. Oh, that just fell, look at that. Falling right above me. Wow. Holy shit. When the wind gusts up, I can feel the camera, the phone wanting to blow right out of my hand. Oh, I just heard something. Yeah, I heard it. Get under the porch. Can't believe nothing fell on my roof. That's amazing. Trees falling down all around it, but not one thing on it. There's nothing above her. That's why I'm letting her stay on the porch. Here we go. Force of nature is incredible. Seeing it and hearing it firsthand.